Hello, welcome to the agriculture lesson, and today we're looking at the importance of agriculture. So agriculture is very important to you as an individual. It's important to your family. It's also important to the community, and it's also important to the nation. Um, so agriculture is important to the community in the sense that it creates jobs. It's important to the nation because it creates employment. So today we want to look at careers in agriculture. Did you know that in agriculture there are a lot of careers? There are people that are employed in the agriculture industry, and today this is what we want to look at. So there are many career opportunities in agriculture, and you'll find out that in Zimbabwe in particular, many people are employed in agriculture industry. And the economy of Zimbabwe is agro-based. This means that it is the backbone of the economy. Agriculture is the backbone of the economy. Zimbabwe is dependent on agriculture. It has good agricultural soils. So, as an industry, it produces some raw materials for other industry. Okay, and you'll find out there are many people working in agriculture directly or indirectly. So these workers can be skilled, semi-skilled, or unskilled. So we're going to explain what each one of these means. So when we are talking about semi-skilled and some skilled workers, we mean those professionals in agriculture who would have received special training that enable them to carry their duties as they are expected. So some skilled workers are trained for a long period of time, ranging from 3 to 4 years, and they are usually trained at colleges and universities. So the examples of skilled workers are, number one, veterinary doctors or veterinarians. These deal with animal health. It's very difficult for an animal to tell you that it is suffering from a terrible headache. But then a veterinarian or a veterinary doctor will actually diagnose and um, help in treating the animals. And the other career is agronomists. So the agronomists specialize in the management of soil and the growing of crops. So they study the soil, they actually look at its requirements and how it can be re-improved. And they also deal with the growing of crops, that is management of crops. They actually advise on the agronomic practices such as weed control, pest control, disease control. So that's what they do. Then they also, we also have some people who are employed as farm managers. These do administrative and supervisory duties at the farm, and they make decisions on how to run the farm. So they do the planning, they do the day-to-day decisions, and some strategic decisions. And we also have some researchers. These develop new methods of farming, new varieties, breeds of animals, and they improve production. Then we have what are called the meat inspectors. These inspect the meat to ensure that the meat is safe from contamination and that is safe to consume. They actually are involved in the processes that go, in the meat processing and meat production to ensure that there is quality assurance. Then we have agriculture engineers. These are concerned with the design, construction, and improvement of farming equipment and machinery. Then the next group of people that we just want to look at is skilled workers are the agriculture lectures. These teach at agricultural colleges and universities. So they teach some students at these institutions. Then we have agriculture teachers. They teach agriculture at primary, and high schools. We have what are called agricultural extension officers. These teach farmers on how to farm. Then let's go to the next group, which is called the semi-skilled workers. These are trained for a short period of time so that they can get necessary skills for certain jobs. Or they can be just experienced in a certain job. So examples are builders, they construct some farm buildings. We also have some drivers, and these can drive tractors, trucks, and trucks at a farm. Then we have machine operators. They operate farm machinery like combine harvesters, silage makers, and the like. So these are machine operators. Then we have the last group, which is called the unskilled workers. These need no training at all to do their jobs. So these are people like cattle headers, which will look after cattle. Then we have some fruit pickers who pick some fruits, and we have some farm laborers who do duties such as weeding, feeding animals, applying fertilizers, and milking some cows. So these are the different careers in agriculture. Hope you understood these concepts. Until next time, have a good time. Bye bye.